For today, we'll be unboxing Chika Fujiwara from Love is War. So now let us unbox her. So now we're going to peel the tape from the bottom part. Okay, and then we open it. Gosh. So as you can see, this is the manual. This is the manual of Chika Fujiwara doll. So she have her hair, one faceplate, body, cat ears, cat paws, 4 kinds of hands, 1 pair of shoes, magnetic base, her uniform, underwear, socks, and connectors. Okay, behold, and let's see the legendary secretary of Shuchin Academy. It's Chika Fujiwara, Minna. Yowi, yowi, yondayo. I'm so excited as well because I already bought devotional Nendoroid doll. So let's open it so carefully. There she is. The ramen connoisseur. Chika Fujiwara. Yeah, this is just a minor part. And her body.
Oh, yeah.
And her face plates. There you go. It's the secretary Chika Fujiwara in the house. What I like about her Nendoroid doll is her hair doesn't have the unnecessary lines compared to the Nendoroid itself. You can inspect it here in my blog. I'll show you the full dimension of her hair. So this is what she looks like. Yeah, there you go. Let's go to her accessories. So we have these 2 cute pink cat ears that have adhesive attachment with the hard plastic. And here they are. So her cat paws, so cute. Her extra hands. Brown shoes is here also. Hey. Yes. And of course the magnetic base. There she is. And where's the uniform? It's on the side. Okay, let's get it now. I don't use this, so I'll just leave it here. So now let's examine Chika Fujiwara's uniform. So it's basically the same with Kaguya. The difference only is that she has a white socks. Let's open this one. So here is her uniform. So cute. The socks. Underwear. Now we're gonna change her body and make her wear this uniform.
Oh no.
Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you!